In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to speed up Windows 11 and ramp up the performance. Let's dive in. Kickstart your Windows 11 with a faster boot time by disabling startup programs. Press Ctrl and Shift and Escape to open Task Manager, and navigate to Startup Apps. You will see the apps which are enabled and disabled under the Status section. Right-click on the program of your choice and select Disable. For peak performance, tweak your power plans on Windows 11. Open Settings with Windows key and I key, head to System, and click on Power and Battery. In the Power section, use the drop-down menu next to Power Mode and choose Best Performance. Lastly, optimize your hard disk storage by defragmenting. Press Windows key plus S key and search for Defragment and Optimize Drives. Press Enter to open it. Select the drive you want to defrag and click on Optimize to wrap up the process. Rev up your Windows 11 speed by a whopping 200% with these tips. Don't forget to subscribe to Guiding Tech and dive into one of these videos. Guaranteed, tech enjoyment awaits.